Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2015 Hyundai Sonata SE, stock number B9248P. Only 23,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Lakeside Blue in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. The Sonata is in the mid-size car class. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 23,000 miles. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Sonata has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 185 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 35 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9248P to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.